Hello, boys and girls. This screencastify will help you with organizing body paragraph number 1 for the T and R section of your paragraph. That will eventually be TR with our E's and a final S. For this essay, we will use trees with a topic and restate, followed by explaining your own thoughts, then one piece of evidence that is cited directly and explained, and then a support your position by bringing up a con that you dismiss. Great job on the hook, bridge, and thesis. If you need your thesis statement, the revised ones are located in the slideshow. Remember that you should have the 3 ideas you're proving written down. So post that or write it down somewhere so that you can make sure that your ideas are supported. This is the organization that will be followed for body paragraphs 1, 2, and 3. T, R, 3 E's that explain your own ideas which support your thesis reason, 1 piece of evidence directly cited, elaborated, and then supporting with refuting a con. For this portion of today's work, you'll be working on the amazing fact and the restate. So 2 sentences, the T and the R for body paragraph 1. For body paragraph 1, you will start off with an amazing fact, and you will also, for today's assignment, do a restate sentence to clearly state what your first idea is for body paragraph 1 and use a persuasive transition. To use an amazing fact, you want to hook the reader. You'll start off with your body paragraph number 1 with an amazing fact. That amazing fact should relate to your restate idea. These are samples from the holiday reports where amazing facts were used to introduce the body paragraph idea. The hook started off the same way and gave an interesting fact in the T sentence, which is located here and in here in this point. This was the restate sentence that may have started off in different ways, but got to the point. So the T sentence will attract your reader with an interesting hook that is related to the main idea of your whole paragraph. But the R sentence then has to clearly state to the reader what the entire paragraph will be about. Please make sure you read over these samples in the presentation. Here are some suggestions of ways to start off your amazing fact. First, you need to think about what your thesis reason number 1 is. Look up some interesting facts about that reason with the Google search. So for instance, if you have as your reason number 1 for dogs that they make great exercise buddies, then look up with the Google search about exercise facts or stories or any sort of information that might be attractive or funny or clever to a reader. A simple idea is fine about exercise and dogs, and you can use one of these sentence starters to start off that fact. You don't need to cite it, you're doing some basic research. Utilize these sentence starters to create a sentence with that fact. The important thing to remember here is that the fact you look up is not a general fact about a cat or a dog. It should be something related to your body paragraph. That way, you can attract your reader, but you won't confuse them. This fact will be a great hook that it gets your reader hooked into your main idea. But as soon as the T sentence is over, the R statement will directly tell your reader what that body paragraph reason is about. You want to be very careful that your amazing fact relates to the idea of your body paragraph one. Otherwise, it may not make sense where it is, and it might confuse your reader. So again, you're working on an amazing fact that is related to the body paragraph one idea. If you're not sure about what your body paragraph one idea is, look for your thesis statement. The body paragraph one idea would be the very first reason that you placed in your thesis statement. When you are done with your amazing fact that relates nicely to your body paragraph one idea, your next job is to write the R sentence. The R sentence is short and sweet. It directly tells the reader what the paragraph will be about now that they've been attracted and hooked by the T sentence. These are some persuasive opinion language transitions that can be used throughout your piece. They also work quite nicely as an R sentence. You can use other transitions as well for your R sentence, but please don't forget to start off with a transition for your R sentence, or you may not have time later or may forget to. So you may use these or other ones. If you don't use a transition in the R sentence, just make sure that it's clearly stated and use transitions elsewhere. When you're doing your R sentence, you have to make sure you're looking for, in this case for paragraph one, what was your main idea for argument one about a cat or a dog? So if you were talking about a cat or a dog most likely being protective in your home, your amazing fact might be some sort of amazing fact you look up about dogs being protective. And then when you do your R sentence, you can use one of these transitions to clearly state that dogs make protective pets in any home. That concludes what you'll be doing for the T and the R. The next portion will be working with explaining your own ideas based on your thesis reason number one. Thank you for your hard work, boys and girls.